Alright, so this piece of leather, well, the whole sofa got messed up. So I'm hoping that I can repair it to at least reduce the damage looking on it. See that? This would probably use a filler, but I'm just gonna try to dye it to hide the color. See that? This got peeled off, chunked off or whatever. So I am going to try to use this. I got dark brown from, I don't know what's this called. I don't know. Leather cotton balm. Anyways, you got the balm, big jar too. 100 ounce. Like makeup brushes, like a brush. Scooper thing, I guess, for a lot of mass stuff. Little dabber things, and this is a bigger dabber thing, right? And very makeup-ish. Disposable gloves, so we're gonna see how it works. One thing is to do a prior test, put a little water here, see if it beads. If it beads, it's good. If it soaks it up, it's no good. So I already tested it, it beat it up. So that's a +1. So now, if we could dab that, I don't want damage. But basically I just want to hide it. I want to make it look like, you know, less conspicuous than these big light colors. That contrast is nasty. So let's see here.
Daddy.
Yeah.
Can I have some pepperoni pizza?
I will in a minute. I'm a little bit busy. So you can see it's already.
Big pizza?
No. Woo. So we got. This is messy already.
Really small pepperoni pizza.
Yeah. Give me a second. I'm trying to fix something here. This is really messy. So like that. Let's see if I could get a little corner of this stuff. Ooh. That's why you need gloves. Can you admit? Oh, I hope I can get it on my fingertips. So, how am I gonna? Okay. I should have turned it the other way, whatever. Oh, wow. So you want to only put a light layer, and then you gotta let it dry. And once that dries, then you could put another layer to darken it or to fill up a gap. Wow, actually, the color's on point. Well, you can tell. Definitely. I think getting a wider area is actually smart too. So that way it kind of blends in with the texture more. I think that actually looks pretty good. Let's see if we can get. I'm gonna get closer with this guy. That way you guys can see this. This one's an eyesore right here. Let's see. Can you guys see that? Wow. So the color's on point. I'm trying not to get on the thread as much. Because darkening the thread, I think, is going to make it look more noticeable. Oh, dang. But the match, I think afterwards, once it dries, and if I think the color is good, you could go in and put like conditioner on it. Leather conditioner. Can you guys see this? See that right there? Yeah, the color is on point. Yeah, that color's on point. Hopefully it'll dry on that point, but I got dark brown and match my eyeballs, which is good. Can you see that right there? Scuffs. Wow. Oh, wow. Totally big difference. At least it hides it. But this thread part, that's the hard part. Right there. How am I gonna get it without touching the threads? Oops. Probably a paintbrush might work better. It's okay. Get that thread out. I think once it dyes the thread, it's kind of like, oh, she wrote. That's okay. That's okay. Definitely looks better than what it was. Alright. So this part, definitely if you want to do it right, you want to do like a repair. So that way it's covered right. But the color match is on point, which is cool. Alright, so I got a couple other parts, but yeah. Looks good so far. You can see that boo-boo. Again, if you could repair it, it might be better, but it's such a corner spot, it doesn't really bother me too much. I just care about that's such the contrast, that big blob of color, right? I love you too, my son.
Oh my gosh.
Not perfect, but way better than it was. So, I mean, if you want to condition it, sand it, repair it. So this is not a repair. This is a dye. Oh, there's a big corner right there. Good. All right. At least it gets that color out. And then you could shine it up with a conditioner. Feels like I'm putting makeup on things. But yeah, least the color match is good. Nice. Cool. It's a winner.